LTZ Entertainer was designed for the entertainer in all of us. With great forward corner benches for seating up to 8, the real essence of this layout comes into focus as you work your way aft. The bar table with bar stools and a versatile corner bench makes a great spot that's always ready to enjoy a meal. Enjoy a rear-facing lounge behind the captain's chair. And prepare for a day of entertaining friends and family. Completing the plan is the Crew Rotocast helm stand with lots of storage, gray wood accents, and a fully adjustable captain's chair. LTZ Entertainer will be your way of saying, relax and stay a while. LTZ highlight features include a crew helm stand with a large storage area and cup holder, a silver stereo system featuring high-power Fusion stereo with 4 speakers, deluxe seat frame cladding, 2000 series multicolor Matrix 50 furnishings, and an extended rear deck with telescoping stainless steel ladder.